The Topsy-Turvy Bus is far more than just a vehicle. It's a vibrant, mobile testament to the power of creative problem-solving and community engagement in the face of pressing environmental concerns. Its most striking feature, of course, is its unconventional design, a standard yellow school bus topped with an identical bus, meticulously inverted and securely mounted. This visually arresting spectacle immediately captures attention, transforming the bus into a rolling conversation starter, a symbol that boldly challenges conventional thinking and encourages a fresh perspective on sustainability. It's a statement piece, a playful yet powerful reminder that tackling environmental issues requires innovative, sometimes even unconventional, approaches. Beyond its striking exterior, the Topsy-Turvy Bus is a fully functional, mobile educational center. Inside, the bus is thoughtfully designed to maximize its educational potential and minimize its environmental impact. Sleeping quarters for the team traveling with the bus are cleverly integrated into the design, alongside a fully functional kitchen that emphasizes reducing food waste and utilizing sustainable practices. Furthermore, the bus incorporates a sophisticated system that converts used vegetable oil into fuel, a practical demonstration of the potential for alternative energy sources and a commitment to reducing its own carbon footprint. This commitment to sustainability extends beyond mere aesthetics. It's woven into the very fabric of the bus's operation. The bus's educational mission is equally ambitious and impactful. It travels across the United States, primarily focusing on Jewish communities, visiting schools, community centers, and summer camps. Its programs are designed to be engaging and experiential, moving beyond passive lectures and embracing hands-on learning. Children and young adults participate in interactive activities that bring complex environmental concepts to life, making them relatable and empowering. The curriculum focuses on key areas of sustainability, including renewable energy sources like solar power, the critical importance of reducing food waste, and the practical applications of alternative fuels. The goal isn't simply to educate, it's to inspire action, to empower the next generation to become active stewards of the planet.